Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from fixpectus.com. In today's video, what I wanted to talk to you guys about is chest hair and pectus. Now, unfortunately, my situation is, well, probably fortunately actually, I'm 25, turning 26 very soon, and I have virtually no chest hair. So for me, you know, it's not really going to be an option. I don't think it ever will be. I might get a little bit when I'm 30. It's starting to come through only recently. But for some people who are hairy, it's definitely something to consider. And it's like, what do? Do you want to keep the chest hair or not? Now, you know, to be honest, it can be a good form of disguise. So if you haven't built your physique up to where your pecs are disguising yet, are built around your pectus and you're shredded and you have an aesthetic physique with good posture, then chest hair while you're developing that physique, I think would be a good approach if you can grow it, because it's gonna, you know, grow in and around the indent and really disguise it. You know, I've seen guys with pectus, I've worked with clients with pectus with chest hair, and it really does make a difference. Okay, so my tips would be, if you can grow it and you don't have that good physique and you're self-conscious of your pectus, grow it. Okay, you know, I remember in high school seeing a guy who was in year 12, he was older than me, who had pectus, more severe than mine too, and he already had chest hair in his hole, and I was like, damn, that actually makes his pectus look better. I wish I could grow that. And here I am at 25, turning 26 soon, and I still can't grow it. So if you can, I would grow it if you're feeling insecure about yourself, because it's just a form to, you know, we want to try and make ourselves feel better as we can, and, you know, any kind of disguise like that is going to help. So obviously this isn't too lengthy of a topic. Obviously it comes down to really your genetics as to whether you're going to be hairy enough to be able to grow your chest hair. But to be honest, I think the best physiques is when the chest hair and the man is groomed and, you know, they don't have crazy chest hair and you can see their physique. So ideally, even if you can grow chest hair, build your physique up to the point where you're not trying to hide it anymore, but you're proud of your body. That's what I try and achieve for all my clients, is for them to no longer hide their body, but they're proud of their body, and their awesome body hides their pectus, but they're not hiding their body through chest hair or clothes or posture poses like this that I used to do. You know, they're proud of their body and they look like a Greek god. They got good posture. They've built the muscles and built their abs and the obliques over the rib flare, and obviously built the pecs around the indent, and, you know, look great. So a little video, guys, on chest hair. I thought it was a topic worth covering. So that's my 2 cents on the matter. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Remember to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.